Guess what, S1? You have to pull a good string. Yeah! Why do I have to pull these things? They're so... what a lovely... Ow. Now we're taking this. Just imagine being fat. Just imagine being oversized. Just imagine being so big that you can't even fit on a turntable. Just imagine watching a crappy train at it. Just imagine being too small for your, being too big for your tender. You're going down, Thomas. Oh yeah. Ah! Finally, I can pull coaches now. Wait, why does the train feel so light? Okay, introducing my new engine. Wow, that's so cool! Yeah, we'll definitely be using this engine instead of that dirty old blue engine. That's it! I'm calling Thomas the Thermonuclear Bomb! What a lovely day! What the Oh! Hello there,